Meaning of fundamental tone.
Fundamental tone.
Fundamental tone.
Fundamental tone.
Fundamental tone. The fundamental tone is the lowest frequency at which a sound-producing object vibrates, and it forms the basis of all the different notes that can be produced from that object. It is also commonly referred to as the first harmonic. For example, when a guitar string is plucked, the fundamental tone is the main note that we hear, and all the other notes that we hear are called harmonics, which are multiples of the fundamental frequency. Understanding the fundamental tone is important in music theory, as it helps musicians to create pleasing and harmonious sounds by playing notes that are in tune with one another.